Morning, y'all. It's a little windy this morning.
A little cool, not bad. It's the wind that makes it cool.
Yeah. So sorry for the wind noise. Hey, Jake. But we're down here fixing to feed the animals again. Willow! Willow! What you doing, Willow?
This one right here. Every now and then I feel something.
She won't be fed.
I'm nibbling on my pants.
She won't be fed.
It's either this one or that one. I think it's this
Willow! Tell your mama you've been bad. Yeah. A white one or black? Huh? Oh yeah, it's been out. Willow, tell your mama you've been bad. She gonna go hide now. Willow!
They're sitting there looking, they wait.
Oh yeah, they hungry. It's time to feed them. So, Jared sent me a message, or said something on Facebook this morning, and asked me how Butterfly, Willow, and her crew were. And I told her, well, Willow's being a mess like always. She's been headbutting all the other goats that's in there with her. Come on, babies. I see you. I see my babies. Come on. And Butterfly's getting spoiled by Jason. But the baby goats, they get spoiled by me. You're my babies.
What is going on here? Oh wait, that's Willow. That's what's going on here.
She got her big butt up in that trough.
Ain't nobody got room to eat because your butt's in there. Do something else. Well, she got it cleaned up pretty good. I can actually see her now.
Come on, we gotta go feed the cows.
Told you about to tell me what to do, woman.
Come on! Here, take it. Where's that? They moved it. Well, I tried.
They'll eat it.
Come on, piggies. Stand there. Oh my God, I'm scared. Come on, piggies. Come on.
Faces only a mother could love.
Come on. Well, come on. Come on. So, just a little background on what we're doing. We're farm sitting. That's why we're acting like Todd and Jareth. Oh, it's all in good fun. We're having a blast. Everything's going good here. And I think Jason has the bug.
Bug for what?
I think he has the bug for farming.
So guys, we can't be the reap what you sow posers and not saw some lumber here. So I'm gonna get me a piece of pine and we're gonna see if we can saw some lumber. Hang with us. Alright, so I went to the woods. I picked the straightest tree I could find. Got it cut. I'm gonna place it on this sawmill here, and we're gonna cut some lumber. Now, out of this one log, I think I ought to get probably, if I had to guess, 2 2x4s. I think it's 1 by 12. I think that's what it looked like. I ought to be able to get it. We're gonna see if we can't make it happen. So let's get to sawing. There she is, right there. We're gonna get some lumber out this girl. Yes, sir. Nice and straight. Look at that. That's gonna be pretty. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get her on here good. Like that. All right. Now Todd says he can get him about, I don't know, a couple thousand board foot in a day. I'm gonna try to cut this here and get them 2 2x4s and that 1 1 by 12, probably about, I don't know, about 20 foot long, 25 foot long out this one piece of tree here. So we're not even gonna clamp it down. We just gonna get the sawing. Might have to cut that little piece off sticking up there, but I think we'll still get those boards out this one piece. Let's make it happen. All right, remember I was telling y'all about this piece sticking up right here? I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit off the top. That way we can get this log cut. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Let's see here now. Dadgummit. I lost my key. We're gonna pull something out the hat here. I'm gonna try something new. I don't even think Todd can do this, but we're gonna give it a shot. Here we go.
Means I can't find my key. Watch this. I bet Todd can't do this. One pass, 2 2x4s and a 1 by 12 about 20 foot long, 25 foot long off of that one piece of wood. I'm gonna snap my fingers, say some little, I don't know, magic words. Hocus pocus or whatever. There it is. 2 2x4s. And 1 1x12. One pass. Cut all 3 boards. Look at there. Can't wait to get me one of these. I'm gonna have some fun.